I'm sorry to break your heart. I'm sorry, I understand how you're feeling. It's my fault. Unfortunately, we can't see each other anymore. I need to focus on my studies. I need some break. Please understand.
I need to forget about her, please.
Okay, so you want to forget. Let your mind wander. Empty your mind. Focus on the void.
Working hard just to live so